Another reason being why I think I'm even more elated today is actually to be a part of the family of somebody that I've actually grown up hearing. One of the greatest storytellers of its times, Sir David Attenborough. To be a part of this family, to be just hear his stories. I mean, I think for me it is the greatest achievement. And I would obviously once again take this opportunity to thank all of y'all, to the Sony team, to actually, who've made me a part of it. I think all of y'all have seen the campaign. What more, I think what nobody knows is that I was actually 4 months pregnant when we shot this campaign. So, well, my son is definitely feeling alive at this moment, even though he's not amongst us. But he is definitely going to be watching Sony BBC Earth, watching all the shows on it, such positive content, such real content, such a connect to nature, to adventure, to wildlife, a channel that actually makes us feel so close to the things that we actually, we dream of, we never think of. Look at the story of like whether it's Snow Chick, narrated by Kate Winslet. I think I hope I have the opportunity to do something like that in Hindi, if we could, because, I think it's such a touching story. All the stories are so relatable. A penguin who's going through so much hardships in, Antarctica. You actually think of that a human being can go through that. You can put yourself in such situations, whether it's a penguin, whether it's a human being. The stories are so human. That's one of my most favorite stories, and it's definitely a story that I'll be showing Taimur for sure. And of course, Saif is also a very special mention. He has definitely asked me to ask them that he loves wildlife, he loves adventure, he's seen Planet Earth, he's desperately waiting for part two. He's obsessed with the hunt. He's just asked me to ask that why was he not chosen as the brand ambassador and why his wife? So I said, it's because I'm also glamorous. This channel needs some glamour.